Yes. Just as you said, the idea of PED is to select 6 crops that is to do with coffee, oil palm, mango, and the others, to bring them to the same level of revenue earning as cocoa. At the moment, cocoa is giving us something like $2.5 billion every year. Now, the Tree Crop Development Authority has the target that after 8 years of intensive planting, distribution of seedlings and planting by farmers, that we should be able to produce enough raw material from each of these crops, coconut and the others, to be able to earn as a $2.5 billion that cocoa is giving us today. Not to mention the value addition that we are, cashew for instance, we intend to be processing cashew into the nuts and package it so we can export it to the rest of the world, competing with China and Vietnam and the others who are now dominating the industry. The same for coconut and oil palm and the rest. So if we're able to even add value to a quarter or even 10% of this, plus the raw material in the medium term, we could easily be doing the $2.5 billion for each of these, which together will give you something like 15, 16, 18 billion dollars a year from the Tree Development Authority. Last year, September, October, the president launched, inaugurated the board and the management. Now they are organizing themselves with the regulations and other things to really take off. But in the meantime, they're in touch with the research institutions which produce this planting material to assist them to expand their capacity to produce more planting material in the coming years to enable us to reach these targets. So I'm very, very hopeful that the Tree Crop Development Authority is really going to make the impact. And the impact will be really, they're talking about from research with the research institutions all the way to processing, packaging, and export or internal trading of these products, which will generate a lot of jobs and give Ghana a lot of foreign exchange to be able to build this country's infrastructure, roads, hospitals, schools, and all those things to make life much easier for the people of this country.